most respected registrar of this institution, Dr. E. Soundararajan, respected principal, Dr. M. Brinda, respected Dean of Research, Dr. C.R. Utra, and HOD of Computer Science, Dr. Manimegli ma'am, and my dear students, a great morning for you. It's not good, it's a great morning for us. To me, this is a special day in this year. The reason for that is, of course, this is the second month, first day. But for me, this is the first day I'm talking in front of physical audience. Last 1 year, most of the educators or teachers, we are running out of emotions. We do, most of the time we do ask, can you listen? Am I audible? Are you all right? So these are the, very daunting questions for the last 1 year, and we don't have any physical setup of physical classes. In my college, we have not started the classes, but luckily you are blessed to have colleges in a physical environment. Most of the students I connect online, what is your questions? They ask only one question, sir, when the college reopens? That's the daunting question. And the teachers, we are comfortable as technologists, and we do teach online, and we expect most of the time in real situation, when we are teaching in the class, we do ask, hey, listen. Now the other is happening. Are you listening? Nobody is responding in online classes. Some people, by mistake, one guy is, flying in a two-wheeler, and by mistake the camera was turned on. Okay, the whole class was laughing. Okay, this is about the online environment. Now, I will be the host for your day, so breadth and length we will discuss about mobile computing in the coming session. As a keynote address, there are two things, as the principal and the registrar pointed out, mobile is inevitable for our, lifestyle. As the Madam Dean of Research also pointed out, this is the first budget we will be doing, paperless, and we can get to know through mobile devices. Two important aspects I want to talk and stop here. One is the integration of technologies in the mobile device. Just look back, we had a wall clock at our home, we had alarm clock, we had AM radio, not FM radio, AM radio in the beginning. After that FM radio, we had an exclusive fund of calculator, we had a video game consoles, music player, we had a big rack for music cassettes to be organized, and we have rented cameras. The people who owns camera is big people of our villages, and video cassettes, VCR systems. We went to the next village, neighboring village for hiring. Per day we gave 200 or 300. And then this GPS or map systems, only foreign travelers had. After the internet, if you had it, 20 years before, internet at home, it is like you own a Honda City car in your house. Broadband, it's a new world. Now, look at mobile. You have a clock, you have an alarm, you have a FM, you have a AM, you have a music player, you have camera, you have internet, you have whatnot. No, earlier you need a cash to buy things. After that you should have a card. Now have mobile phone, it is enough. Right? Not only that, as madam said, for eating, it comes Swiggy. And there are plenty of the problems during this COVID. Okay, mobility is important part of our survival. We need to travel from here to there, and mobile is the one device which connects everywhere. I'll tell you the two another things. Yesterday, when I was boarding the train, it was in the afternoon. While boarding the train, in the compartment, there was a boy who is maybe between 3 to 4 years. He is continuously weeping in the train, crying like anything. Okay, some of the elders in the compartment, they waked up and they feel they are disturbed. And the father who carried his children, he has no idea, but he concerned about others are getting disturbed because of my son. but he doesn't know how to handle the situation. And people are coming one by one, and it was rush also. And the boy's mother, who is, in the next compartment, she is carrying the luggages and coming to this place, perfect place. And this boy is still, crying and making unusual disturbances. And everyone is, feeling some extent disturbed. And she held up the boy, and then she sat for a minute, and then from her bag, she gave the mobile phone. Problem is solved in 2 minutes. Now, mobile is used for all sort of problem solving. It is possible to create problem through mobile. It is possible to solve the problem through mobile. There is a big riots, big problems. You turn off this, you create a jammer, you stop the connectivity, problem will not spread. There are many witnesses. Mobile phones are helping to winning in elections. Best example you can observe in US. There are plenty of examples. Even as people are, somebody said that even kids are born with cell phones. Now, people are behaving like us, they born with cell phone. It is not that, they are personally addicted, right? As you cannot live a day without mobile phone. That word, that they coined a new name called nomophobia, no mobile phobia. If you don't have a mobile phone, you will have a stress. Okay, these are proven research I am telling. It is not something I am randomly speaking. These are proven, no mobile phobia. People are stressed out. And the psychological pattern, two friends, okay, they share everything almost. Pants, shirts, everything except mobile phone. They apply pattern lock, fingerprint lock, all the lock. Some of the wars happening at home, not giving mobile phone. Wars, literally wars. And when I was about to board the train from my home to this railway station, my grandfather came to drop me. I asked him, I will be speaking about mobile. What do you thought about it? When he spoke only 2 minutes, which disturbs me the whole traveling. He said this thing: your generation is blessed with so many advanced technologies, but you do not have love at heart. You have mobile devices, you have everything, but you never called to anybody and asked whether they are good, whether they are safe. You never concerned about anything. Literally bothers me. In the grand family, my grandfather is the only person who disturbs everybody through voice call. Except sometimes I will check the received call only from grandpa. Nobody else calls us. If he moves away from the town, and when we are not getting calls, we do anxious. He is not just calling, he just calls. When he drops me, when I reached this thing, he was telling, okay, you reached in time. The train was about to reach, or it was late. Whether somebody is there to pick up you, you reached. Sometimes you may get a headache, you sleep. It was more concern and love. And as a generation, sometimes we may not reflect this. They have, we own the technology, they use it. And the second point, he said, you people love the things and using people. I repeat, our people, you love the things and using people. But it should be, you should love the people, use the device. To coin it properly, you should love the people, use the device. With that, I stop, and we will discuss in length. Thank you very much.